i-vlog ng sa pera niya ito ni kalatiang baklawat so ba meron house u dahil katswak doon na katsente ng kalchip pa ang sayo na yan i-kaselaw til siyang sang kanto doon ani talome main League of Legends kang kilputang
saya aron kal naki
saya anti leg 99
oi tho Jacopa Jacopa nice sakti Jacopa mana ka na ito lang Jacopa goddamn homie support the France.
What's up, everybody? Look at Aaron's new car. Wow.
On YouTube.
No.
Oh my god!
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Alright. This is my new car. About to whip this. What?
So good. Fruit Garnier. Wash your dick with that shit. It smells so good, bro. And it makes it nice.
Fruit Garnier isn't that for people like vaginas and shit?
No, not today, motherfucker.
Wait a minute.
No, it's a shampoo. It's a shampoo, and I just put it on my dick. Oh, it smells really good.
You wash your pubes hair with that?
Yeah, no, my balls. Look here, look. Look, look at it, bro. Damn, so good. Problem, pussy. Oh, you got sake? Yeah.
I forgot to you can do it.
What's up? What's up?
Say now.
That's why I thought we were going to Rehoboth.
It just closed. Dude, I thought we were going there like ASAP, but then
Bro, how did you say you were going ASAP? We rolled up at your house and you still ain't dressed yet.
alright, we're gonna cut that.
Bitches. That's what we do. We fucking bitches. Fucking
I said like 9:30. Tyshawn's going too.
Tyshawn is 9:30. That's only 11:30.
That was not what I expected.
Outfit had to be there.
First it was the maid outfit.
Yeah.
Then he wore that bunny hat. And
Yeah.
then oh,
Now
my
he's
balls.
doing this.
And then he pulled up to my house. Is that shit in rainbow? And now he's posing like this. It just gets gayer and gayer as it goes on, bro. It's hell.
Fuck taking the socks
Wait,
off.
what are you really recording?
No.
Are you alive?
No.
What? Recording. I was like, why are you gonna edit that?
Yeah.
If I do that, my
Hey yo, Filipinos.
Pull your pants on a little bit.
Wait, oh no, what the fuck?
That's how niggas be.
They do be walking.
Wait, so what are we doing? Where the
What are we
lift
doing?
at? Yo, you trying to match, nigga? What's up?
What's that?
What's up, nigga?
You know who I rep, bruh?
I don't know.
I'm black, by the way. Just
white?
an FYI.
Surrender flag, you feel me? That's who I rep.
Yeah, Jacob, you said we're going. Where are we going, bro?
I don't know. To your mom's house.
And my Nikes, making my way downtown, dumbing out, fly as hell. And my Nikes, baby girl, let me please just take you out. Baby, I know you like me. I know you wanna be my bae. I'm sorry, Taze, my wifey. I'm tryna roll a spliff, get so high. OJ, pass me the lighty. Shawty wanna freak me. She saw me in the club, she said she wanna freak me. Shawty wanna freak me. She look me in my eyes, she looking real freaky. Shawty wanna freak me. She saw me in the club, she said she wanna freak me. Shawty wanna freak me. I look her in the eyes, she looking real. Making my way uptown, smoking guys. Don't hide with the Louis.
I swear to God.
If you can't stop me up like Tiana Trump, I'm sorry, baby, I'm Gucci.
Yo, don't you got a cute dick?
Let me see that cute. Let me see that cute thing, right? Let me see that shit. I know that nigga Ray came. He's like, yeah, bitches say my dick cute.
What we doing? Go, go, hey, eat, 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 eat. What we doing? I'ma shoot, don't miss. I'ma pop that stick. I'ma pop my pill. I'ma pop my shit. Whole lot cap niggas say they with, they really ain't with. Ain't talking about shit. I'ma chop my roof. I'ma rip my seat. I'ma black my tent for y'all new kit. When I hit that jug, I'ma get new whip. I'ma get new strap. I'ma get new bitch. Hey, had to work hard. This shit went sweet. Brand new Franco, the AD pussy. I can't even see. But way up all night. I ain't getting no sleep. Had to work hard for the gangster, pace this straight, baby. 3 gram I leave. This ain't OG, this limit tree when I smoke out the pee. Yo, these niggas going out bad about a bitch, it can't happen to me. What? No, I take you off in your face, you know everything ain't what it seem. Fuck. Hey, we eating good every day. My stomach full, I have to pull. My bitch bad.
I don't know how the fuck you got out of
Damn, you drippy. Oh,
Look at this.
damn. Damn, look at this daddy, boy. Big ass forehead. Oh, I got a ching chong motherfucker. Oh,
Hey, bro, you want some sake, bro? You want some sake?
you want some chicken?
Sake! Sasuke!
Naruto! Sakura! Oh, no.
For real, bro, you want some sake? I know you
I
like
really
that
do
shit.
want some sake though.
Sake is fucking disgusting.
Don't you and your people, all 3 of y'all like that shit?
Yeah, you say
Yo, I just realized you're not
I
the only
didn't-
motherfucker.
Yes!
You're the only big forehead.
I bet it is you, Asian motherfucker.
I know you're not talking with your pubic like fucking bear. Hold on, you got a fly coming out.
Yeah. Hey, yo, Ma,
Hi.
I like your cut.
Okay.
I'm gonna be musicians.
Entero.
Fat dicks only.
Yo. I'm about to control on.
Oh, shit.
Oh, hey guys.
Oh, this is the cock inspector. I need
What the fuck?
Damn, that's your boo thing?
Hey yo.
Yeah, I be fucking.
Oh wait, that's an actual girl. Oh my god.
No, it's a fucking Maddie. Maddie, let me see that
Oh,
dick.
this is Maddie.
Let me see that dick.
Hi, Maddie. Wait, so what's going on with that party that you?
Oh, come on, bitch.
Colin's friend? That's your best friend?
That's not my best friend.
Oh my god.
Maddie! Oh my god!
Yo.
That's crazy.
Wait, call back Lauren.
That's your boyfriend?
Yeah, Lauren.
How many?
Bro, somebody go live into a room.
You motherfucker! Why'd you kill me?
I cannot play this game with you niggas. I can't stop laughing. I know.
What you do this time, Colin?
I don't know, bro. My ass is on fire.
That
What
shit was.
happened,
I don't know, man.
Oh, did the gas station blow up?
My ass is on fire.
The building is on fire, fire. The building is on fire, fire. Then we bounce. Let's go. My friend came to the door. Well, I was on the phone cooking me and my baby some breakfast. And she said, "Oh Lord Jesus, it's a fire." Let's go. I said, "What?" She said, "Yeah." I said, "No, we ain't gonna be in no fire." Not the
Yo, we at Wawa. I'm about to steal like 5 beef jerkies, 3 Red Bulls.
5 donuts up my ass.
My ass is on fire.
He wants like fucking, what you want?
Some dick. Yo, that shit clear as hell.
That is
Yo,
that
that shit beautiful. What's beautiful?
Me.
Face reveal.
Hey yo, Tyshawn, come over here with your Wait, you know you rocking. Oh, 4K shit, 4K shit.
You know the Who's better?
4K shit.
Yes, sir.
4K shit.
Oh, he's stealing. Oh, he's stealing.
Alright, what if you walk out? Beep, 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 beep.
I got 2 irons on him.
Hello, MTV. Welcome to my crib. Welcome to my crib, MTV.
Keep my pictures.
What?
Oh my god, I didn't see you over there. Bitches here, it's fucking weird as shit. He got punched in the face, get his eye.
Yeah, you want to see my eye?
Look at this motherfucker.
You want to see my punch?
You want to see my sick tattoo? Yo, let's see it.
Let's see it.
It's in his butt. It's in his butt. No, stop. It's right here. Oh, look at that.
Shit cute.
Yo, look at that. Some
tribal
Yo, don't
shit.
smack me like that, bro.
Sorry.
Tell my mom.
Chill, bro.
Yeah, bro. The big, yo, you ever have a big, like, try to put, like, chocolate syrup, caramel syrup on your dick, bro?
Yo, when I was making this video edits, dude, I was cackling in this videos like, what is he even talking about? Like, what the fuck?
Hey, am I lying? Am I lying? Yo, big probably like it, and if you don't know, I know. Wait, say again. Hey, if you don't know your bitch like it, I know, bro. Your bitch be trying to put some caramel syrup on your boy dick, bro. It's fucking up, no cap, bro. No lie, bro. Edible arrangements, motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? No cap.
We talking about to get that shit. Oh my god.
What the fuck?
Hey guys, you already know what's up. That's all I gotta say. You do you.
Something pretty on the camera, get me, baby. Get me, baby.
Nah, it's on me. It's on me. Yeah, I did. Anyways, hi guys, do you positivity?
Weave on that bitch. How you
Fuck
doing?
him.
How you doing? How you doing?
She's looking for a purpose. Oh wait, there's your purpose right there.
What? That's my purpose.
Yeah, she was looking for her purpose.
We talking about to get that shit. Oh my god.
What the fuck? You're right, bro. You're right, man. Yo.
Look at his eyes, bro.
Let me see your eyes. Let me see your eyes, yo. Yo. Paparazzi.
Yo, that was something pretty on the camera. Get me, baby.
Yo.
Hold on, bro. You want to see some real? I'm not. Hey, baby. Fuck your boy,
Man, he's recording, man.
Fuck your boy too. Fuck your baby. You don't fuck with me.
Slam. Okay.
Whoa! You see how these fly guys out here, man? Yeah.
Jacob, bro, here's the keys to the car.
We gotta go to the car, bro.
We got to the car.
Hold on.
No, I left my phone, bro. For real, I left my phone in there.
I gotta get my car keys real quick. There you go.
We got Biggie on. We got Big Tristan in here, man.
What's up, Tristan? What's up, dude? Okay. Oh!
Crazy, bro. I don't know what the fuck's going on.
Hey yo, we went back to check the thing. Wait, who broke? Did you? Cowboys. Someone just broke it.
We just gonna leave that as that.
Mm-hmm. Cleanup crew. Well, anyhow, we're about to dip out of here.
Why are you still talking like that?
Damn, bro,
Just trying to fight me.
Yo, it's your boy Slurpee.
Why are you trying to fight me, you bitch?
Jig up flirting with them, but I'm not. I'm trying. Let me see, bro. Let me see the leg, bro.
Stop.
Damn, bro, you just trying to fuck.
Yo, where's Colin at? We leaving him?
No.
Whose hand is this? What the fuck?
Boy, kinuha mo yung patron?
Ha?
Kinuha mo yung patron?
Nandito. Tanga na bata.
Come on, bro. Open it.
Oh. Hey, bata, you wait.
Siguro wala sa hindi dyan.
This is mine now. Fuck all you niggas that thought this shit was yours. It was mine.
Hey, so na connection. 아니 따니, 주방엔 들어가면 가무던 전화. 또한 그 엄마 메이던 좋아하는 이 느끼나. 아, so ito kasi to, kadali lang.
We talk about to get that shit. Oh my god.
What the fuck?